Welcome to Saba Social Learning Demo. This is the solution to Sarah's problem. Sarah needs to move fast, she needs to learn more and constantly about her new products and services, but she has a very busy and packed schedule. She wants to be learning continuously, on the go, and what she wants above all is a community to whom she can ask questions, get answers, and work with other people who are experts in the field. Zach's problem, on the other hand, is that he wants to put together a programmatic approach to sales training that is not wasted. He wants to show that by providing a social learning environment, in addition to the formal learning environment, will provide an increased sales readiness, which will result in a much higher sales effectiveness. Jason, your turn.
Hi there, and welcome to the Saba People Cloud, Saba's social learning environment overview. I'm going to log into the system as a user, Sarah, who's a sales professional for her organization. When she logs in, she is very quickly met with a really nice interactive environment where, for example, she can update her status on things that she might be working on. And in this case, she's a sales professional. She's trying to close a big deal. She can also, though, with a single click of a button, share out a link to colleagues or people that she thinks might find it useful. So whether or not that's a person like Patricia, or whether or not that's an entire group of people that she interacts with, she can also not only share it out, but also decide what level of access they might have to that information. She can not only share links, but also files or events, and also pose questions or just start a discussion. She can see all this information in the recent activity widget, which is right here in front of her. But also she's shown all of her learning activities, which is very important. In any status, whether or not that's confirmed, in progress, or in this case, confirmed or successful. But no training is complete without also having access to virtual meetings. So virtual classrooms is a key element of the Saba social learning experience. She can see right here all of her virtual meetings. She has a mid-quarter review coming up and also some other different activities in place. With a single click of a button, she can set up a new meeting. And once again, she can invite anybody that she'd like to. In this case, Patricia, she just wants to meet and she wants to have a one-on-one. She can decide when that's going to take place, and she can decide, obviously, the time that suits everyone best. And that's as simple as it is to set up more virtual activities. If she wants to go out and search for some resources, she can go into the search and type in what it is that she's looking for. Of course, the Saba search engine types ahead with her, trying to show her what or guide her towards a solution. And the search results come back and are very, very helpful. Not only do results come up if the word sales is in the title, anywhere in the title, they also show up if the word sales is anywhere in the description or the metadata. And they also show up if the word sales is anywhere in the tags associated with any object. Not only are web-based training courses brought up, but also groups that she may want to be part of, or what have you, or even people. If we go through and we look at some of the additional information, there's a web-based course here, and maybe in this situation, Sarah is not able to take this particular one, so she can go and just, with a single click, view the offerings and drop it until it's a better time for her to take it. Not only do we get all the traditional information about the training back to us, but we also get some additional information. So I get the title and the description, but I also get, in this case, the ratings associated with a particular training. And I can rate information as I would like to. I also, though, have access to share information. So a single click of a button, and once again, I can choose to share this out with anybody that I would like to, as I showed you before. If I'd like to, I can bookmark this piece of information so that it's an easy access for me, as my bookmarks are right up here in the top of our main bar. I can, of course, make different tags associated with this, of course, so that I know how to find this information very, very easily. If I go into my learning environment, my home learning, I'm confronted with all of my learning that I'm currently in any progress or status with, things that I'm confirmed, in progress, or successfully completed. I can filter this, so maybe I just want to look at my completed items, and then with a single click I can choose to print this information out. I can dive deeper into course information. Once again, a simple click and I can go in and I can see all the information that I would like to understand, how this is offered, when it was offered from, the course description, the rating that is associated with this particular course. But I'm also met with a bunch of very Web 2.0 kind of information. I can dive deep into the course. I can see and read and add the tags associated with this course. And what's very important is I can see what my colleagues are saying about this particular course with their comments. I can see who's part of this training, and in Saba Social Learning, when you register for a course, you're automatically part of a group for everyone who's ever registered in that training. So I can see who's part of that, and I can choose to interact with them. I can go right into the group if I'd like to with a single click, and I can see the activity and join in on some of those discussions. With a single click, I can choose to email this group and type out questions. And I can choose to send that information out to my colleagues. And within minutes, I'll get a series of results. And that is the power that enables organizations to do work that much faster. I can dive deeper into all my groups, and I can see all the discussions that are taking place and any of the recent discussions that are taking place inside there. I have access to see all of my group information, any new groups, or even any popular groups that have surfaced around the community. Of course, I can go in and I can view any people that I'm following, people that are following me, or if I'd even like to, I can try and find an expert based on a particular topic like manufacturing or sales. This concludes our overview of the Saba social learning environment, Saba People Cloud. Thanks very much.